Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make banana bread today. So I'm very close to my tata, okay? And my tata has a normal tata patti diet, but the one tiny cheat meal that he's had for years is that he'd always have a small piece of cake or a small piece of sweet with his evening cup of coffee. Now his go-to was Britannia's pineapple cake. So good. If you have access to that, by the way, it still exists. Just go eat that, shut down this video, you don't need any of these things. Now the catch is that my tata's favorite fruit is banana, not pineapple. Britannia never made banana cake. Old Madras Baking Company and that epic banana bread didn't exist back then. So we had to resort to making our own thing. So my tata party and I would experiment with the pressure cooker, atta, oats, bananas and make like this banana goop. Of course it wasn't the best. But now, thanks to YouTube, I finally learned how to make banana bread, and I've been making this recipe for years and years, and it's super simple. It's your basic banana loaf recipe, which you can customize very easily. You can add chocolate chips to it, you can add whatever nuts you want to it, and it's going to come out perfect every single time. Now with this lockdown, you would have hoarded a lot of bananas now. Some of those bananas would have gone way past the point of eating with black and brown spots on them. Don't throw those away, keep those. They're perfect for making banana bread. Let me show you how to make it.
Right?
Yes.
Tell us how much you like it.
On a rating of like 1 to 10, I'll give it a 15.
Okay, bye. He's a paid actor, by the way. Tagging his Instagram below. Go check him out. He was in Pushpawali season 2.
Yes.